Savior leadeth me. What more do I need? He leadeth me to waters still and into pastures green. Let's sing it together. You are all I need. You're all I need. You're all I
I'm Jerry, and this is my first trip to Africa, and I'm in the construction crew. A lot of blood, sweat into the houses, and you know, I'm just very happy being here, and you know, touched by the heart that these people have, and you know, what they do with what they can, or do what they can with what they have. And I'm happy to be here.
You